Hey friends, today we're doing a full body stretch and middle splits routine. Perfect for opening up your hips and boosting flexibility fast. Let's warm it up first. Light jumps. Shake out your arms. Loosen your legs. Get that blood flowing. Side to side hip opener. Stand with feet wide apart. Bend your right knee. Keep your left leg straight. Hold for 10 seconds. Now switch sides. Feel that stretch in your inner thighs. Step one leg forward, the other back, and sink into a deep lunge. Push your hips down, chest up. Hold for 10 seconds, your hip flexors will thank you. Slide your feet apart into a middle split. Only as far as comfortable. Keep breathing. Hold for 10 seconds. Stay strong. Back. Cool down and out, turtle. Bring your legs back in, shake them out, and relax. Do this daily and you'll see amazing flexibility gains fast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick workouts.